It's a beautiful day in South Texas, and we're going to do some container gardening. I think I need to channel my inner Weeza from Steel Magnolias. I'm Southern and I wear big hats and grow tomatoes. I'm not sure if that was the line, but it was something along those effects. Let me preface this video by saying I have had zero luck with my container gardens in the past. And I believe it's primarily because I don't water enough. And I realize that different things need different attention and water schedules and all of that. So I'm really going to try this time. I've done some research and I've bought the right equipment, because basically what I really want is a salad garden. I want tomatoes, cucumber, lettuces, things that you use every day. And being empty nesters, we throw away a lot because we don't eat it fast enough. Since there's only 2 of us, you don't eat all the lettuces you buy. So it'd be nice to be able to just go chop down what you need. I know it's kind of a fantasy, but it may or may not work out. But I've done a little bit more research this time, and I think I can do it. I'll keep you posted on the progress, but today we're gonna plant. I figured starting in containers would be the way to go for me. And as you have seen, we have an elevated home, so it's easy to maintain pots up on our deck. Last week, I gathered up all of the pots that I have had kind of lurking around from my other failed attempts at container gardening. I also purchased a raised planter box with wheels, so that way I could put the plants in and out of the sun as needed, depending on if they're full sun or not. I figured it'd probably be a lot easier to do it that way. I'll put a link down below if you want to buy it. I got it on Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive and it looks pretty good up on my deck. So we have a variety of herbs that we have planted and lots of vegetables that I have no idea, honestly, if they're going to grow, but I'm going to give it a go. It's been a super busy week, and excuse any wind noises. It's been a challenging week actually, since I planted my little garden that we'll go through. Got my second vaccine, which kind of knocked me on my butt, honestly, for a day. And then my poor little Yorkie broke his leg, so we've had that to deal with. And I've had clients, and we are getting ready to go to Hawaii in a couple of days. Just checking off the boxes and making sure everything is done before we go. And stay tuned for some super fun stuff from Hawaii too. We're going to Maui. So let's have a look. I'm super impressed with myself, to be honest, on my little garden venture, and I'll show you why. So I've got everything planted. I haven't really made things look pretty yet, but that will come. And again, sorry about the wind. It's very windy tonight. And got all of our herbs planted. Since I've even put this in the pot, look, I have a tomato. It's like the size of, I don't know, it's about 1.5 inches. There was no tomato on this plant when I got it. I'm so excited. And then walk across here. Here's my little raised bed. And look at this. These were seeds. I'm so excited. I've never planted a seed and had anything grow out of it. So I believe this is broccoli, arugula, regular lettuce, and bok choy. So we'll see how those come up. I might have planted too many seeds. I don't know. But I'm super stoked that they actually grew out of the ground. This has been about a week. So that's great. And then today, this is super exciting. I noticed this. And these are beets and carrots. I'm like just very happy about this. It's dusk here now and sun's about to set, but it's actually my favorite part of the day. I did want to say thank you so much for watching these little videos I'm making. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, a green thumb, and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, send me comments. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. We have a few big things planned. I will show you some ideas we have for a big garden, which is why I'm tackling this little garden right now, because I want to make sure I can do it. Also, we're going to Hawaii, like I said earlier. So watch out for some fun video from Maui, Hawaii. Thank you again for watching, guys, and I hope to hear from you. Take care. Aloha.